With the introduction of some basic statistical measures, now we are ready to introduce to you some of the EDA tools that's available. One of the tools we choose to use is called GeoDA. It's an abbreviation for Geographical Data Analysis. GeoDA is a collection of methods for doing descriptive spatial data analysis. For example, we can use some of the methods for describing the general distribution or detect hotspots, outliers. But more importantly, this collection of methods are linked through the capability of brushing and linking of representation, so that the same samples can be visualized, can be examined from different kind of descriptive methods. GeoDA interface is a graphical user interface and expose those methods in a very intuitive way. The central part of the function is exploratory data analysis. There's other supporting functions like data input and output, the transformation of variables, or creating a new grid and manipulating of maps. So these are the kind of more supporting functions. The most important thing we're going to learn is the number of graphical methods for statistical description. Here I show you a typical visualization of a data set through GeoDA. We can see the data sets through a number of graphical visualization. With the geographical data, we can show them as a map view, and it shows the attributes of the entity as colors and shapes and field patterns. And in this case, we show a map as a percentile map. Means we take the GDP data and classify the values by percentile, and then we assign them different color. We can also visualize the data sets by the signature in the high dimensional coordinate system defined by what we call the parallel coordinate plots. We can also look at the data from 3D scatter plots or 2D scatter plots, where show the correlation between values or among variables, and we can also show regular scatter plots. Okay. And all these windows, all these views are linked so that the selection on one window will be reflected on the other window. The kind of dynamics across these windows through linking and brushing is almost unlimited. Using OpenGeoDA program is very straightforward. When you try to start using it, the first thing you want to know is where your data file is. As long as you know your data file, you simply go to the File menu and open Shapefile. Okay, remember, OpenGeoDA only takes shapefile as the input. So if you have other files from it, you have to create it, convert it into a shapefile. When you have the file opened, the most important functions are under the Map menu and the Explore menu. Under the Map menu, you can make a different kind of map based on the classification, standard classification methods. On the Exploration menu, we have a number of statistical graphs you can choose from to characterize the data.